Welcome back to another video. In today's video, we are going to be playing, check if I'm still recording. Yep. We are going to be playing Not With and All. I failed to upload that video, so it's gonna be hard to do things. So it's gonna be like, so let's launch American Truck Simulator. I guess I have to open Steam. Still recording, yep. If you can hear me good, that would be good. Nope. Oh, there it is. There we go. That startup. You never get to see this startup anymore. You never seen that startup before. Uh-oh. I'm only at level 2, and I have not so many miles I have driven on that profile. I'm gonna have to turn it off. God damn it. I'm gonna have to quit the game, guys, and then I'm gonna have to turn that off. It's gonna be a pain. But I am super tired, guys. Hopefully your day is going good.
Yeah.
Hopefully your day is going good, guys. Hopefully it is. If it wasn't, comment down below if your day was not good.
These are always fun.
This is History Guy Gaming. I'm not getting him for views. No.
I would love a good, like a role-playing one where you can level up and things like that. Was simply.
Make sure you like, subscribe, and same thing. Make sure you like and subscribe. The subscribe button's free. Just hit it. Just hit it. And the like button is free also.
Alright.
So.
I feel like I should be listening to Sabaton's Red Baron right now. He's flying higher, king of the sky. Flying too fast and he's flying too high.
Flying higher.
Play Hill 2, I have. It's been a long time.
Oh god, I'm probably gonna get copyrighted. Cancel. Still recording. 4 minutes. 4 minutes. Okay, 4 minutes.
At a slow plane.
Nah. Settings. Whoa. Yeah, I wish I could stream, but no, I can't. load back into ATS. What that stands for? American Truck Simulator. Oh, come on. Still streaming. What?
Superior. Always superior.
God damn it.
I'm not sure what the system
I'm still streaming. I mean, still recording. Okay, good. Launch with.
I got you,
Roxanne. I just.
last name. I don't know how to pronounce it. I apologize. But one of my coworkers, one of my fellow speakers for Rachel's Challenge, Priscilla. It's her. This is why you should never step foot on a faraway dump. In 1994, an 11-year-old named Mark arrived at summer camp and made his
Yes, that's my favorite character. These used to. I might start on this. I might start up on this one again. But I think. Hold Yes, I use keyboard, unfortunately. I know, you're probably like, why does he use keyboard? I'm just gonna be memorize. Oh, shut up, buddy. Yeah, I wish I had that. Yeah, I wish I had something. Once I get the Logitech G29, then we will be seeing some real action. This is not gonna be. This is gonna be a mod profile. It's gonna have some mods in, but not a lot. Need that. Need that. Need that. Need that. Boom. Two of these. Yes. Costco. And a cheat. Unfortunately, how many have I been streaming for? I mean, videoing for 10 minutes. Unfortunately, guys, I'm gonna have to stop because, I don't know why I'm gonna have to step. That was me. That was me, guys. Trust me, that was not a mouse. That was me. So, peace, even though you can't see my hand. Unless I can start virtual camera. But you can't still see me.